subscribe to our channel.
7 Nail Fungus Home Remedies. 1. Apple cider vinegar. The acid in apple cider vinegar is an active compound that helps eliminate nail fungus on your fingers or toes. It helps regulate the skin's pH, altering the conditions that the fungus needs to proliferate. How should you use it? Mix equal parts apple cider vinegar with water, and soak your fingers or toes in it for 15 to 20 minutes. Afterwards, make sure to dry the area well and apply your regular moisturizer. 2. Garlic. This is a popular ingredient in many treatments as well as nail fungus home remedies because it has important antibiotic and antimicrobial properties that help eliminate germs and fungi that cause infection. How should you use it? Crush 10 cloves of garlic into a paste, add this to a bowl of warm water, and let it stand for a few minutes before soaking the affected area for 15 minutes. Another good option is to mix garlic paste with olive oil and apply it to the nails, leaving it on for 30 minutes. 3. Plain yogurt. The active bacteria cultures that live in yogurt, known as probiotics, help treat fungal infections. How should you use it? Apply a little plain yogurt to the affected nails and allow it to dry, before removing with warm water. In addition to this, add some yogurt to your diet in both the mornings and evenings. 4. Tea tree oil. Thanks to its antiseptic properties, tea tree oil can naturally improve the health of your hands and feet, while eliminating all kinds of microorganisms. The use of 10% tea tree oil in a topical manner is one of the nail fungus home remedies that can be as effective as any creams for athlete's foot. Concentrations up to 25% and 50% may also help cure infections. If you apply pure tea tree oil twice a day to nail fungus, it can improve the appearance by 56% after 3 months of regular use, and up to 60% by the end of 6 months. How should you use it? Apply a small drop of tea tree oil on each nail affected by fungus, 2 to 3 times a day maximum. This should never be taken orally because it can cause side effects like confusion, rash, instability, inability to walk, and even coma. 5. Vicks VapoRub. This popular ointment for reducing the symptoms of colds and flu can also be used to treat nail fungus. How should you use it? Wash and dry the area and apply a small amount of Vicks VapoRub to ensure total penetration. Repeat the treatment twice a day, preferably before bedtime. 6. Baking soda. Baking soda is acidic and helps fight fungi and other microorganisms that affect the health of your nails. How should you use it? Make a paste using baking soda and a little lemon juice, and apply it directly to the affected areas. You can also sprinkle some of this white powder into your shoes to fight any bacteria that are living there. 7. Lemon juice. The antibiotic and antifungal properties of lemons make it a great way to eliminate this problem once and for all. How should you use it? Squeeze the juice from a few lemons, and apply the liquid to the affected areas. You can also just rub a slice of lemon directly on your nails. If you think this information is interesting, share it with your Facebook and Twitter friends. I like the video and subscribe to our channel.